Hi, and thank you for your interest in the ASTM training program on environmental site assessment standards. I'm the course instructor, Paul Zolvik, and I'd like to share with you why this is an ideal course for environmental consultants and site assessment staff. No matter if you're brand new to the field or have years of experience with environmental site assessments, these are worthwhile classes that will improve your understanding of the standard and hone your site assessment skills. This course starts with an overview of circle liability and an examination of the foundational elements that necessitate environmental due diligence. We'll then take a close look at the contents of E1527 and identify what you'll need to do to comply with the standard. You'll learn what's in the standard, the meaning and rationale behind each element of the standard, and the consequences for nonconformance. These courses feature small class sizes and are highly interactive, with plenty of opportunity to ask questions. The classes are attended by the spectrum of consultants, lenders, developers, business owners, and public sector representatives, allowing students to not only learn from the materials presented, but from the experiences and opinions of others in the class. You'll see hundreds of photos depicting site conditions at properties around the country, and you'll experience the range of challenges faced by Phase 1 assessors. You'll get copies of all presentation materials as well as copies of the Phase 1 standard, the transaction screen standard, and the Forest Land Rural Property Standard. You'll also participate in a small group case study and work through portions of an actual Phase 1 assessment. You'll examine the documents, information, data, and photos, and study the conditions of an existing commercial property. These ASTM site assessment courses are the only training courses developed and led by practicing environmental professionals from around the country. Professionals with decades of experience with environmental site assessments and investigations. Professionals that are very active in the industry and leaders in developing and revising the standards since their initial publication in the early 1990s. Course leaders draw on all of their experience to provide practical tips for navigating the intricacies of the standard and identify some of the most common pitfalls and shortcomings. The thousands of consultants, engineers, and environmental professionals that have participated in these classes consistently leave with positive reviews about how the class improved their field and industry knowledge. I hope to see you at an ASTM environmental site assessment training class in the near future.